Hey, what's up YouTube? How are you guys doing today? Thank you guys so much for joining me. My name is Tobias and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how to replace the battery in your key fob, and this will work for Dodge, Chrysler, and Jeep. They all kind of use the same key fob right here. And just really quick before we get started, if you guys like this video or if this video helps you out at all, if you wouldn't mind going down there and giving this video a like, that would help me out so much. And also if you want to see more videos by me in the future, make sure to go down there and hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell notification button, and I'm going to have more car videos coming very soon. So let's go ahead and get started. So what you're going to need is something like a flathead screwdriver that has a pretty fine point, or you can probably also use a knife or maybe even a coin or a key or something. And then you just look at the key, and there's going to be one part of it that has like a little cutout. It's right here. That little cutout right there. And then you just get the screwdriver, put it in there, in the little cutout, and then you just kind of pry it open and take it apart. Whoop. And there's the battery right there. So the size of battery that you're going to need is the CR2032, and I have one right here. So if you want to order your battery on Amazon, I'll go ahead and put an Amazon link down in the description of this video in case you want to check that out. It looks like on Amazon it goes for $5.85, and it comes with a 2-pack. And the specific car that I have, it's a Dodge Avenger. It's a 2008, but if you want, you can go up here and you could actually just like enter whatever car you have and just make sure that it fits. And you can confirm that these batteries will fit your key. So now to get the battery out of the key, just take your flathead screwdriver or whatever you were using to open up the key, and then just kind of look for this side right here where you can see the battery. Put the screwdriver in there and you can pop it right out. And I don't know if you guys saw that before I popped it out, but the battery was in there like this. This side was facing up. So the side that had all the writing on it, that was facing down. That's the positive side. And it even shows you inside. Let me see if I could focus on that. It might be a little hard to see, but inside that circle right there, it shows you a little plus sign. Oh, there we go. Yeah, there it is, the plus sign. So you know that the positive side goes down like that. But yeah, let's go ahead and put the new battery in real quick. Alright, so we've got the plus sign. Put it back in there, and then we get the other half of our key and just put them back together. So let's go outside and test it to make sure that it works. Alright guys, so I hope you guys liked that video. I hope that helped you out. If you guys like this video, once again, if you wouldn't mind going down there, hitting that like button, and if you want to see more videos by me in the future, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notifications button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I will have more car related videos coming in the near future. I know like over a third of my subscribers are actually subscribed to my channel for car videos, so I'll definitely be coming out with some more soon. And yeah, that's just about it guys. Hope you guys are all staying safe during this quarantine, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Peace!